Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. Would you believe I have a plane in this box and I'm getting another plane? Okay, now we're going to unbox this thing. It's a mystery box. Yeah, I know what it is. It just doesn't have any graphics on the outside, so it's a mystery to you until I open it. Big, usually there's a box, a graphic box or something, whereas this is just cardboard, but the graphics is on the outside of the outer cardboard coffin. So, but this is the FLYFANS MiG-25 plug and play. Alright, got our little bits and goodies. Looks like a 2mm hex drive is the only screws you're going to need. Looks like you get 4 of them, so 2 for each wing. Push rods. Okay. Alright, got a little Y connector just sitting in there loose. Grab my blade. Alright, you know what? How does this... Oh, okay. This is just an outer cardboard sock, looks like. Is it connected somewhere? Let's be connected on the other side. Oh yeah, here we go. Wonder why I could. I see wheels down there. Okay, so it's all one level. Okay. Nope. Gotta take everything out here. Everything's well protected. I gotta tell you, everything is well protected, which is good. Okay. Manage your debris. Manage your debris. Okay. Big honking missiles. Look at them things. Got that real simple railing system. So they just push in and the wind would hold them in place as you're going forward. Huge. Nice finish on. Wing spark. Got the wing. Very nice detail. These decals, FLYFANS, you did it right. You don't have any, you don't see through them. That's good. Got 2 Ys here. Okay, what this is, one of these on this Y, one of these controls probably the flap or the aileron, probably the flap, and then this other one is the light at the end. Nice. That tape pretty well matches. I mean, it's not like super matching, but I'll probably, this wire just kind of sits in here loose. Yeah, you know what, I might just put just a tab of glue into my finger, kind of rub that in so it doesn't fall out of there. But I like the fact that everything's already hooked up. So, and the 4-point glue in point, so that's good. Of course, we'll put the carbon spar in there. I like these vanes. That makes the plane very stable in the air. Same thing here, same sort of arrangement. They got your little. Oh, that's why that one little spar, that one little Y was loose. It's off that wing right there. Another missile. How many missiles does this thing have? Alright. Okay, I am going to have to take. It is a 2-part deal. You should figure that out by now. Cut my fingers. Very well protected. I gotta say it. Very well protected. Alright. Here. Put my head in your face. Like that. Oh yeah. Nose cone, plastic, hard plastic tip on it. big magnet in the middle. The fourth missile. Here's our, oh, I like that. Horizontal stabilizer. Full floating stab, I like that. Nice finish, got a big fill mark, kind of a bluish, but they did a pretty good job of that. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, they're the same length. Probably the biggest fuel tank. Look at that thing. Sucker's huge. Of course, this is a scale aircraft. Alright, horizontal or vertical stabilizer, already hooked up. Very nice finish. I gotta tell you, FLYFANS is really coming on strong. They are really coming on strong. I know this is going to have to be glued on, these horizontal or vertical stabilizers, but that's okay. You just take your razor knife, scuff that up a little bit. I'm actually going to be using hot glue to put those on. I've tried all kinds of glue, the Gorilla Glue, the EC 1500 or 6000 or whatever. I've tried foam tack, and they're all good glues. But I have found that the Gorilla Glue, hot glue, seems to hold longer. If it does come apart, it will take the foam with it. So, but it's actually hot glue is actually very easy to remove. And people say, yeah, if you just pour alcohol, rubbing alcohol, this stuff right here, I'll buy this stuff here. You pour rubbing alcohol over hot glue and it acts like a debonder. It will remove the hot glue and without messing up the foam. So if you make a mistake, you're able to undo it. You've got a U back there that's going to have power. Okay. All right, okay, don't grab it by that because that felt soft. Yeah, that's not plastic. That's just foam. Oh, I like these lights. Oh yeah, that's right. They're down there. They're nice and secure. Beefy, very beefy looking landing gear up in there. Got your 264s fans. They're in the back. Okay. That's a good looking model, man. And you know, I was saying that the SU-27 and the what is it? The L-39 from FLYFANS that just recently came out, that they physically, the impression I got was they felt weak or cheap in my hands. I really wish I hadn't said that. I hadn't given that impression. It's just what I initially thought. I think because I went into it with the mindset, oh yeah, banana hobby, the blitz work, it's a bunch of junk, you know, but I'm going to give them a shot. No, FLYFANS and X-Fly, and there are better brands that they're carrying now. It's not junk. This is a serious contender to the E-Flight and the FMS and the Arrows. Well, Arrows is FMS, and those planes. They're coming on strong. And this one here, even though it's even older than those two planes I just mentioned, this does not feel cheap. This feels like I just unboxed a $300 or $400 E-Flight jet. And yeah, I'm liking it. Yeah, there are some little drawbacks. They don't use the really nice foam for the packing crate, you know, and all that. And it looks like they're, you know, they didn't make sure their Y-links or whatever are connected. But come on. All right, the only access, and you don't have to worry about getting the pilot because he's sealed in there forever. But pretty cool looking, you know. Limited access on the battery. EC90 or XT90 connector. You have a U-back that you're going to have to plug in. You can either wire this in with something, but it's going to have power, otherwise it won't initiate. And everything's labeled in Chinese or channel 3, channel 1, channel, so you'll just kind of have to figure out by process of elimination what's what, because they may say channel 1 might be one thing in Futaba, and then channel 1 might be something different in Spectrum. I think channel 1 in Spectrum's throttle, so, or maybe aileron, but that's just a process of elimination to figure that one out. That's why having a good servo tester is a great thing. And I like to use it anyways to make sure everything's centered before I permanently hook anything up. All right. So we got 2 wing halves, 2 horizontals, 2 verticals, drop tanks, a spar, bag of goodies, and a nose cone. And that's pretty much it. This is going to be a very simple build. Got to glue on the verticals. The horizontals are held in. There's a metal little channel there. I'm sure there's going to be a screw that I'm going to put through there, and that's going to hold that in place. And yeah, we'll pause here, and we'll come back and we'll put this puppy together. But right now we're going to pause. That's the end of this unboxing video of the FLYFANS MiG-25. This is Fat Guy. I didn't introduce myself, did I? I am so sorry. This is Fat Guy Flies RC coming to you from the man cave. Here we go. Rewind. And got the FOXBAT MiG-25 unboxed. We're going to clean my foam up, clean up my box and everything, get my materials together, and then we'll come back and we'll put this thing together. Y'all stay tuned. God bless y'all.